Hello everybody, your friendly neighborhood support tech here, Josh with Connect Cause. And I want to talk about an issue that we see fairly often on our support desk here. A lot of people complaining about their computer being slow when it first boots up. Well, one of the biggest culprits of that is, when your computer, it's kind of like a person. It gets out of bed in the morning when it's first getting started. It's a little groggy, a little cranky. It can, have a lot going on trying to just boot up all the applications and things that start up when you first turn your computer on. Now, often you might have programs that launch when you first start up your computer that you want, but sometimes you've got bloatware and other things that are installed in your computer that just run when you first turn it on that you really don't need to have running, and that can really slow down and bog down the performance of your computer on startup. So I want to talk about how to sort of take back some control of that and help improve the performance of your operating system. So let's go to the computer here. And now this is on a Windows 10 operating system, but you can always take control and change what's booting up at startup on your computer. If we go into the Task Manager, there's a couple ways to get to the Task Manager. You can just do Control-Alt-Delete, and that'll bring up your lock screen here, and then you can click Task Manager. Or if you wanted to, you could go down to the Start menu and just start typing Task Manager, and that'll bring it up, and you just click on it to open it. And at any rate, once we have the Task Manager open, you can go in here to the Startup tab, which is going to be right here in the middle at the top. And in here, we can see all of the applications that we have set to run once the computer is booted. So in this case, we have a Chat Assist product, we have an Acro Tray, we have Adobe Creative Cloud, and some other things here. And Adobe Creative Cloud is great, but you may not always want that to start up immediately when you turn on your computer. So if we want to go ahead and disable that, we just make sure that we click on it here, make sure it's highlighted, and then you go down here to the bottom right corner and you hit disable. And what that's going to do is that's going to keep Adobe Creative Cloud from automatically launching now when we start up the computer. So and that should help out the performance and the function of the computer, because now we're chewing up less memory and less processor as the computer is running and getting started. And that process works for anything here in the Start menu. If you want to go in and turn off some other, we have GoToMeeting that's also enabled. If you want to disable that, we click on it, make sure it's highlighted, and we just disable it by hitting the button in the bottom right corner. So that's it. That's how you control your startup applications. This has been your daily tech tip from Connect Cause. Thanks for following along with us today, and we hope this helps you out in your daily work and helps your computer run a little bit faster. Cheers.